Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato garlic soup. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roughly chop 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes and 1 large onion. Peel 6 cloves of garlic, leaving them whole. Toss these vegetables with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper on a baking sheet. This roasting step brings out incredible flavor, making your soup rich and delicious. Ensure everything is evenly coated for the best results. Once your vegetables are prepped, roast them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. They should be tender and slightly caramelized, which deepens the soup's flavor profile. Carefully transfer the hot roasted vegetables into a sturdy blender. Add 4 cups of vegetable broth to the blender. Blend the mixture until it's completely smooth and creamy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Be cautious when blending hot liquids. Start on a low speed and gradually increase it. After blending, pour the smooth soup into a large pot. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped basil. This adds a wonderful aromatic freshness. Taste the soup and adjust the salt and pepper as needed. You might also add a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. Serve your delicious tomato garlic soup hot, perhaps with a swirl of cream or a crusty bread. To truly elevate your homemade tomato garlic soup, consider a beautiful garnish. A few fresh basil leaves, a drizzle of high-quality olive oil, or even a dollop of sour cream can add both visual appeal and extra flavor. This simple recipe is perfect for a weeknight meal, providing a comforting and healthy option. It yields about 6 generous servings and is surprisingly quick to prepare, taking less than 45 minutes from start to finish. For more great recipes and deals, check the description below. And don't forget to explore the new Kindle Paperwhite for all your reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.